Hello students and parents. I want to create this video to remind you of all the steps we've gone through for writing our feature article and where to find the stuff that you need. So in your Google Drive you should have our Writing Anchor Charts slideshow, and if you're not sure where it is, the fastest way is to search for it and it will pop up and you can open it. You're going to scroll all the way to the bottom for our current unit, which is Feature Articles and Research. We started out with you picking a topic. You narrowed that topic down and kind of had a focus. That's what makes something a feature article. It's not an all about or a whole big research paper. You're focusing on one specific area. For example, you can be teaching them about pandas, but also focusing on how to help pandas and letting people know, educating them about them being endangered. You thought about your headings and kind of got all your ideas out. Then we got our research bag set up. Your research bag should have your name on it. It should have index cards and then all the sheets for filling out bibliography cards so you can give credit to the resources you're using. Then we talked about note-taking, that you would find your source, and for this we're using books, either print books or books from MyOn and TumbleBooks, or you're using the online databases provided by Fairfax County. And you're going to skim your resource, and if it looks like it has information that you want, you then fill out a bibliography card. You number that. 1 would be your first resource, 2 will be your second one, and so on. Then you start taking notes on index cards for this. You're going to write the topic on the top left-hand corner, so when it comes time to sort your notes, you can group them by topic. And then on the top right, you're putting the resource number. That way you're giving credit to the place where you got this information. And then you're writing really brief facts, just caveman talk on each index card. Here's an example of that index card being filled out correctly. These are examples of our bibliography cards, where you're filling them out either for the online database or for books. Even if you're using a MyOn book, it will still be a book rather than an online database. Mrs. Anderson came in earlier in the week, for those that are ready to start writing, and talked about the parts that they'll want to include in your paper and how you're going to kind of format those paragraphs to get in the information you want in a feature article. And then today we talked about turning your notes into paragraphs, how you can take those, make them your own, use your own words, and explain things clearly for your reader. And we have the steps down here for how you do that. Hopefully that's helpful to you if you're working at home, or for those parents that might have questions about what we're doing. If you have any other questions, let me know.